Academic Stage College. Teacher education in Malaysia. In Malaysia, initially very few teacher training colleges were existed. To fulfill the increasing requirement of trained teachers, the Malaysian government put emphasis on the development of new teacher training colleges, and in area of 1950 to 1960, numerous teachers training modalities were existed such as weekend teacher training course, simplified normal training course, senior normal class and vocational teacher training course. After the establishment of 12-day training centers which the collaboration of Malaysian Teacher Training College, these all programs were closed. Currently, Malaysian 29 teacher training colleges are providing several specialized courses for teacher training. Teacher training, education institutions, pre-service teacher training. Pre-service teacher training for both primary and secondary school is offered by 29 teacher training colleges and 11 public universities. Teacher training colleges are working under the Teacher Education Division of the Ministry of Education in Malaysia. Most of the teacher colleges are general in nature, but some specialist language institutes, religious colleges, science college, vocational and technical colleges, and women colleges are also existed. There are normally two types of pre-service programs are being offered: the Malaysian Diploma of Teaching (MDT) and Postgraduate Diploma of Teaching (PDT). In-service teacher training. In-service teacher training is provided by two programs: Special Degree Program, Special Teaching Certificate and Special Development Courses. Levels of teacher education in Malaysia: university level, college level. Teacher education in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, teacher education has a long history starting from the mid of 19th century, when a normal school for teacher training was set up in 1747. Formerly, the first government teacher training college was set up in 1903 in Sri Lanka. The Faculty of Education was established in 1975 at the Colombo University. Recently, this university has offered teacher education at post-graduation level. In Sri Lanka, many correspondence training programs have been introduced for providing general and post-graduation level of teacher training. Current provision for teacher education: in-service teacher training programs, in-service training at teaching training colleges. Promote professional competence by teaching courses as educational psychology and educational philosophy. Enhance academic proficiency through courses in school subjects. Increase language proficiencies courses in Sinhala, Tamil and English languages. Develop aesthetic skills by courses as music, art and dance, etc. Provide practical experience through teaching practice. In-service teacher training at university level. Teacher training at postgraduate level is being provided by the University of Colombo, University of Peradeniya and Jaffna, and by the Open University. These universities are providing postgraduate diploma in education. The programs are offered by Colombo, Peradeniya and Jaffna University as a full-time 1-year program is offered for the private school teacher, and as a part-time 2-year program is offered for government school teachers serving in school that are existed within 10 miles radius of the university. Pre-service education at colleges of education. The Ministry of Education has 12 colleges of education to provide pre-service training to future teachers. The key aims of these colleges are to produce quality teachers possessing essential skills, attitudes and knowledge, and perform their duties efficiently, especially relevant to the context of Sri Lankan school system. encourage professional growth of the teacher through the mutual exchange of expertise, work, and experiences, enhance the educational quality by enriching the curricula with latest and relevant content and modernizing teaching techniques. Continuing education of teacher. Educational institutes are providing various opportunities for continuing education and training of the teachers in Sri Lanka. Many programs including workshops, seminar and study circle, conferences and symposium are provided to student teacher for familiarizing them with new innovations in the field of education occurring throughout the world. High degree program for teachers future education are being provided by University of Colombo, Paradena and Jaffna universities. Master and doctoral degree programs are available in these universities. The Master of Arts and Education MA, Master of Education MAd and Master of Philosophy MPhil are also offered to students to get specialization in field of education. Teacher education in Thailand. In Thailand, teacher education was introduced by the 1992 National Education Act that was revised in 2002, emphasizing on essential reforms regarding teacher education. Recently, the National Education Council NEC, developed by the Ministry of Education, has constructed strategic plans for teacher training and their professional development. Some of these plans are introducing National Teacher Award, provided training to new people for filling vacant positions, academic coupons, reforming all process of teacher training programs to ensure best quality. In Thailand, teacher training programs are consisted of pre-service and in-service teacher education for elementary, secondary and higher level teachers. Teacher training institution. Pre-service teacher training institutes, there are number of colleges or facilities of education which are providing pre-service teacher education in private and public universities. In Thailand, there are 36 teacher education colleges, 17 physical education colleges, 11 colleges of fine arts and dramatic arts, 20 university facilities which are under the supervision of Ministry of Education, University Affairs, and 4 campuses of institutes of technology and technical colleges are offering teachers training program for primary and secondary schools, whereas Raj Mongol University is providing teacher training for vocational institutes. In-service teacher training institutes. The National Teacher and Education Provision Division NTEPD is responsible for providing in-service education in Thailand. The National Teacher and Education Personnel Division is the office of the Basic Education Commission OBEC of the MOE with 178 local education service areas LESA. This department provides in-service teacher training for primary and secondary teachers. The LESA office also provides training for administrators and teachers. In-service teacher education programs, seminars, meetings and conferences, short-term training and workshops, formal link-term training programs, special training programs, continuing teacher education